Hey, he hopped out of the pail. That yours, Chris? Hey, you got an educated fish there, I think. He's waiting. Now, would you move over, please? I'd like to get Chris on there, too.
They go hold him in the gill. Got him?
How big is he?
Another one. Hit him in the gill.
Hey, okay.
Turn the belly toward the camera. Hi, madman!
What? Careful.
Jenny, there's your ducky. Oh, throw it in the water. What's his name, Jenny?
Little ducky.
Little ducky. How original.
Isn't it?
Yes. Oh, he loves that canned corn. Where have you been all my life, Jenny?
Liked it, didn't he?
Uh-huh. He's just a little ducky, isn't he?
No, I think he's a wood duck.
Jenny
Really what I
says
think he is.
Jenny says he's getting his flight feathers, you know,
Only
adult
the
feathers.
tail.
Oh, he says I can only eat so much of that corn. I just get full of corn.
That was good, Jenny. He's hiding behind the little branch there. Every night he comes up here to see if Jenny's gonna feed him. He doesn't seem to have a mom and dad, does he? Do you think he's a wood duck, huh, Mel?
I think it is, yeah. Yeah, looks like a wood duck to me.
He gets a little nervous when somebody walks around on that dock, Mel. Oh, there goes his tail. Wiggle, wiggle tail. You suppose it's because corn out on the lawn that he feels this is a safe place? Or because you're here? Come on, Ducky Wookie. He's Jenny's corny warny. Oh, got a little itch. Gotta take care of that. Is he or isn't he? Will he take the corn from Jenny's hand? Oh, he's thinking about it. Ooh, that's pretty good. Are you almost touching him? Huh?
We'll head first in this water.
Well, don't fall on the duck.
Yeah.
Oh, did you touch him?
Let's jump in his feathers.
And he lets you. Look at that.
Come on. Good corn, I promise. I didn't do nothing to it.
You're actually... Oh, you saw one fall.
Just on the hand. It's alright. You're my little Dickie. Not hungry anymore, huh?
You can only hold so much when you're a little ducky. Oh, now he's eating it, isn't he? I'm surprised he wouldn't take it from your hand. Oh, look at that. Isn't that something?
The prettiest little ducky.
Maybe that's something duckies don't experience. Their mamas don't feed them.
Yeah, they do,
You
don't
suppose?
they? That you don't want this piece of corn I'm holding out to you.
Put it down a little lower so it's under his chin like. You know?
Can you really see that far?
Huh? Down under his chin like he has to
I
bend
can't
over
reach
to
that
peck
far.
it. Oh.
I do have limited arm length here.
Oh.
Alright.
Guess not. But he's eating the stuff on the block there again. Ooh, what happened?
This is a big fish. Yeah, don't let those fishes take your corn. Oh. You don't want this fish to go big.
That is really something. You know, even a tame duck won't usually let you pet them. Unless they can't get away.
You gotta give me stuff, little ducky. Now that corn down there,
Huh.
what are we gonna do now? We're gonna become a chipmunk and store it
The
for
fish
winter?
are coming to eat your food. I see them in the water. Ducky, ducky, little ducky. Little ducky.